Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce Selma and this is Life Affairs with Joyce Selma. Today, we're diving into the world of a Nigerian cuisine featuring tender grilled goat meat sauteed in peppers, popularly called asun in Nigeria, a mouth-watering recipe. So get ready for some serious flavor. Now, let's get started. I have here the star ingredient for today, goat meat. It's thoroughly cleaned with lemon and hot water. So I'll transfer it into the pot and season it. We're going to go ahead and season this meat. So I started by adding in my garlic and ginger paste. Add some seasoning cubes. Add some salt. Add some Cameroon peppers. You can use paprika pepper, chili pepper, whatever peppers you have, but I want it really spicy, so I went ahead with Cameroon pepper because it's very spicy, and I went ahead to mix that in. I add in some black pepper, some cumin powder, curry powder, and I went ahead to mix that in to help those spices mingle together. As you can see, I'm putting on a glove because Cameroon pepper is very spicy. And I transferred the meat to the pot which I'll be using to cook. Added my chopped onion, add some water. I cover and place it on the stove top and started cooking. Let me share a secret with you. I like to slow cook my goat meat because it helps unlock those powerful flavors, and also coupled with the fact that goat meat is lean and naturally tough. So slow cooking is very essential to get the meat as tender as I want it. So you can try out this secret. I bet you'll like it. While the meat is cooking, I'll go ahead to prepare other ingredients. Here I have all my vegetables. I'll be chopping them up with my food processor. So for my spicy blend, I've got here some habanero peppers and chili peppers for that kick, that spiciness, that hotness. Also, I'm adding some sweet bell peppers and onion to balance it out. Toast them all into my food processor. I covered and chopped them up. I went ahead to chop some bell peppers and onion off camera into bite size. At this point, our meat is all tender and ready, and I went ahead and started deboning the meat. So this is all I've been able to do so far. So I'll go ahead and toast this set into my microwave, put the setting on grill and start grilling while I continue with the deboning process. So this is the last set of the grilled meat. The meat is all grilled. From now on, it's going to be stir fry all the way. I heat up my skillet, add in some vegetable oil. I toasted in my chopped peppers and onion and started to stir fry. I'm going to let this fry down. And I added in some seasoning cubes. I'm going to continue stir frying till it boils down. So right now I'm going to add in my bite-sized chopped onion and stir. Add in my chopped bite-sized bell peppers and stir. I added in the grilled goat meat and continued stirring. I added some of the meat stock to bind and help everything mingle together. Add some salt. I stir very well to let those flavors mingle together, and watch as the goat meat gets coated in that vibrant, spicy goodness and the aroma. My kitchen smells great, and the results are so spicy, tender, smoky. It's so yummy. You can munch on this with a glass of wine or chilled drink. You can serve it with some jollof rice, fried plantain, fried yam, potatoes, whatever. It can go with anything. You can munch on it on its own. And guys, I tell you, get ready to lick your fingers and your plate clean, because this was so delicious and I enjoyed every bit of it. And there you have it, my sizzling asu recipe. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, keep winning and living your best life. Remember, asu isn't for the faint-hearted. It is spicy, bold, and utterly irresistible. Happy cooking!